Hello, I'll be talking about my e-commerce website design for my business, Bad Decisions Tequila. Here's my summary page, mission and vision, e-commerce website design, differences between e-commerce sites, standard and versus gamification elements, and then graphical model of the e-commerce website with gamification. Here's the mission and vision. The vision is to become one of the world's most luxurious tequila companies. The mission is to give people in the world a chance to have a good time, be wild and free. Live your best life. Web design planning. So my product, I decided to go with liquor. What type of liquor? Tequila. And then I did be like, how am I going to be a little bit more unique when it pertains to my product? So I decided to go with a signature and limited editions. The signature is just the 750 milliliter bottle, and limited edition is the bottle of tequila with a shot glass. Then the target audience ranges between 20 to 40, but I might move it to up to 50 because I know a lot of people between 40 and 50 that still drink tequila. The business name is Bad Decisions Tequila. Why? Because anytime anybody drinks tequila, you usually end up making bad decisions. So, yeah. In my brand, I decided to go with a mischievous logo. So, for the whole designing process, when I was doing the design thinking phase, I decided to keep my website super simple. I wanted to define my brand, be different from my competitors. So I was trying to come up with something unique that has really not been seen too much. And, then that led to my visual design, appealed to draw the customers in to buy the product. Bad Decisions Tequila. And then I use different phrases that are trending when I come up with names, or sometimes some song titles, but I figure that would come with a whole bunch of contracts and stuff. Cause, I ain't trying to have a whole, what's that one dude? He played Carlton Banks type of situation. Anybody trying to have that and get sued. So, yeah. Navigation, keep it easy to use. Users want a way to get back to the home page to know where they are on the website. So I kind of want to create a image of some sort on my front page to where you can click on it and it takes you back to the home page just in case you get lost. Content kept simple. You have your home page, your products, which is tequilas, the About Us, and the Contact Us, which that will have your feedback in there. All of my content will be informative, easy to read, clear and concise. The Contact Us page will have the contact support team accessibility 24/7 through email, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Web friendly, work on all of the major browsers. The difference between e-commerce sites, so standard, the main function of that is to allow users to buy and sell services and digital products over the internet. It's to be simple and straightforward. It has tendency to be aesthetically pleasing type of website design. It's most definitely user-friendly, and it has extensive product information. A gamified site, its whole goal is to entertain, educate, and engage a user. The basis usually revolves around the content, the business goals, and customer preferences. Gamification is basically a gameplay of elements used to enhance the user's engagement. And they do this through personalized experience, and they achieve it by implementing rewards and different, like, I guess, achievements, like, is it a big, huge game, like how you win. Different types of gamification elements. So with my website, I want to go through social media platforms. So like Facebook, IG, and TikTok. I'm not going through Snapchat and Twitter. I plan to use those social media platforms to get in touch with like influencers and do like giveaways. I want to do a leaderboard, and then do like signature hashtags, things like that. Polls is how I would get like new names for my limited edition bundles, because they change out with the seasons and everything. And that'll basically be through the Facebook and IG stories. Discounts. So one of the biggest things on my website would be discounts, especially for like the holiday times and things like that. And how can people get it via their email? You'll get a newsletter. Good job. But you need to submit feedback and then check off the box. So I know to add your email address to my emailing list. And then bi-weekly email newsletter that'll have various topics and discussions, holiday and quarterly discounts, and notifications of when new product releases pop off. So it'll keep you engaged. And then my graphical model of Bad Decisions Tequila. So the gamification, you have the mechanics, the measurements, reward, and behavior. And it basically shows you, like bits and pieces of what all goes into it when you use gamification. And then on to the right is like a brief model of like what my site will start out looking like, and eventually it'll get better. And then at the bottom, this is basically how everything's supposed to like play out. Yeah. And then my reference page.